One of the most common questions I'm asked is what happens to all this gear when I'm done reviewing it? The answer is pretty simple. I donate it. About once or twice a year, I go through all of the gear that's been sent in for review, and I organize it, and I take a look at what I'm going to keep and work with, and what I'm going to donate to a local makerspace. I live in a small rural community, and one of the most satisfying parts of my job is the ability to equip the local makerspace with 3D printers, networking gear, and other gear. So today is one of those days where I'm going through the inventory and pulling out items to donate. All told, in this batch, I'll be donating 7 3D printers. 3 of them are FDM or filament printers, and 3 of them are FDM or filament printers, and 4 of them will be SLA or resin printers. Here's the first of the resin printers going to donation. That one's kind of heavy. Let's see what else is coming through. So here we have 3 more printers, 1 up here and 2 down there, and these are also getting donated. And that brings us to the 7 printers, 4 resin, 3 FDM. Next up, it's all the little stuff. All right, so this is the donation haul for our local makerspace. It is 7 3D printers, 3 drones, and a whole pile of other stuff and I think there's 2 or 3 robots in there, and a variety of other things that our local makerspace and our local schools can use, benefit, teach their kids, and so forth. My name is David Gewirtz for Advanced Geekery, and this sort of makes it all worth it, you know? In any case, go out there and make something awesome. And if you have stuff that you can donate to a makerspace, do it. It's one of the best feelings in the world.